I have a good EZ Street story for you. There is a pothole in a park lot at a local gym that I'm a member of, and I got tired of driving in this hole.
It was our first exposure to EZ Street as far as applying it just ourselves without any EZ Street family around or anything like that.
The owner said, "I don't like cold patch, never works." He said, "I've tried it." I said, I've got something for you here."
Here we are a year later and it's still in the ground.
It's in place, it's tight.
The surrounding asphalt and concrete, of course, have created some potholes, but our patch is still there.
It's amazing that the old asphalt is deteriorating around the EZ Street.
So let's go take a look at it. This is it right here. All right, right here's an application that we did about a year ago. As you can see on the outside here, there's a new pothole that's created and a crack that's probably going to create more over time. So today we're going to fill this one so that way the traffic coming out of here will have a smooth ride home. The first step applying any EZ Street patch is sweeping out the hole, which we've just done. So we're just going to fill this application. All right, so now that we've applied our product, we're going to take the tamp and we're just going to tamp it in. All right, now that we're done tamping, we're going to jump in the vehicle and we are going to put the vehicle compaction on it and we'll be good to go. EZ Street Asphalt, showing potholes who's boss.